Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the Chart Whisperer. I am Tabo, back again with another analysis video. It has been a couple of days since the last one. Today is the 2nd of December, so it is the last month of the year, and we definitely want to end it strong. So please follow with me and let's get right into today's analysis. Starting with the Dow Jones, we have had two levels of rise, as you can see here, quite clear. And then we've been sitting here in level 3, so I am ready for a trend reversal over this side. And as you can see, I've already drawn my projection for the day, so I would like to short them over here. If we can get a nice stop hunt, judging by where price is right now, it's likely to be in New York again. But essentially, we want to short off of this level because this would mark our point of interest for any positions. Moving over to Nasdaq, we have had two levels of rise here and kind of a weird behavior actually, because they've been chilling in this area over here. So I am looking to long Nasdaq for one more level because they've had two levels of rise. So if I could get one more level, maybe a stop hunt down to yesterday's low or Friday's low, that is, maybe we can get a long position over there. Although I don't like how far it is. Again, price is kind of far from the points of interest, so it's possible that if they go down all the way here, that's the move for the day. So we'll only know by monitoring, but I'm definitely looking to go long here. Moving over to GBP/USD, finally they reversed. If you go check out last week's video, I think they were here. I did say that they would actually be rising for the whole week, and there have been an uptrend since then. So if you followed that, you probably would have gotten some nice pips there. And I expect them to do one more level of rise, give us a nice stop hunt low. We've got a point of interest here, which is Friday's low, so this is where we're looking to take a trade. Moving over to Euro USD, quite similar. We had two levels of rise. Again, from the start of last week, they just rose all the way up here, and they spent some time in this area. I do expect them to give us one more level of rise. However, I don't have a point of interest that's safe for me to take the trade, so I'll just be watching here, if anything, but definitely expecting a level of rise on Euro USD. Moving over to AUD USD. Here we've had two levels of rise, and then they spent one day just about in the same region, being Friday. They closed very close to where they opened, so we'll just wait here for one more level of rise, hopefully at yesterday's low, Friday's low. So we'll just be monitoring that point there for a stop hunt rise. Moving over to USD CAD, in all honesty, I'm not quite sure what's happening here. The H4 is quite clear. We're in level 3 here. So in terms of the higher time frame, I do expect them to drop from here, maybe, unless this ends up being a reset and they close above last month's high, November's high. But if that doesn't happen, I definitely expect them to treat this as level 3 and then drop from here. However, on the 1 hour, there really isn't any trade opportunities. If I was certain about the move, I would definitely be looking to short at yesterday's high, Friday's high, that is. But like I'm saying, not the best of movements in recent times, and I like to take only high probability setups, so I'm just going to stay out of this. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe tomorrow it'll be a little bit clearer. Moving on to dollar Swiss franc, on the H4, we've had one level of drop, and they've been in this region for a while. So when we go to the H1, oh, that is the H1 actually, sorry. We've had two levels of drop on the H1. We go to the H4 just to make sure. Yes, we're definitely in level 3, or peak formation level rather. So we'll be looking to short here for sure. Let's see in the H1. Yeah, like I said, we've had H1, we've had two levels of drop. So we want one more level of drop. Unfortunately, we don't have a point of interest that we could use here, especially because the ADR is that big. I mean, they made the whole move during Asian session, so we'll just be monitoring there, but won't be taking any positions. And then finally, we have the S&P 500. We had three levels of rise here, no questions asked, and they've been kind of consolidating since they hit that third level. This looks like it could have been a reset, but not enough to confirm it yet. They haven't sold me on that, so I'm still looking to reverse the trend here a little bit and go short, unless, yeah, the uptrend is clear. But until then, I'm looking to short When we move over to 15 minutes, you can clearly see here that we have a point of interest last month's high, so we can definitely go up there and then short from here. So that's about it for our analysis for today. As you can see, we have a few positions we could take in New York, and then maybe even GBP USD could provide something, AUD as well. And yeah, I guess those are ones that we could maybe get something in London. So I guess that's it for today's analysis. Please do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, follow in the Telegram channel. I'll link it in the description so that you guys can see my updates as price keeps going, and also so we can all engage, especially BTMM traders. There's a discussion group in there as well where we can discuss our own setups, share setups, and see what we see on the market. So yeah, just please hit the link in the description, join us, and I will see you guys in the next video.